Have you ever wanted to watch a YouTube video later when you don't have access to the internet? In this video, I'll show you how to easily download YouTube videos directly to your PC or laptop using YouTube's official download feature. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop. You can use browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other supported browser. Once your browser is open, go to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. After YouTube loads, browse through your recommended videos or use the search bar to find the video you want to download. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this video right here. Once the video opens, look below the video title and the available options. Depending on the YouTube interface you're using, you may see a download button directly below the video. If you don't see the download button, select the three-dot menu and look for the download option. Select it to begin downloading the video. Now it's asking for download quality options. Then click on Download. Once you select Download, YouTube will begin preparing the video for offline viewing. Depending on your internet connection and the video quality, the download may take a little time. Now, let's see where you can find your downloaded videos. Go to the top left corner of YouTube and select the three-line menu to open the navigation panel. Under the U section, look for Downloads and select it. Here, you'll see the videos that you've downloaded using YouTube's official download feature. You can select any of these videos and watch them without needing an active internet connection, depending on YouTube's offline download requirements. You can also manage your downloaded videos from this section. If you no longer need a particular video, select the three-dot menu next to it and choose Remove from Downloads. This will remove the video from your offline downloads. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to save another YouTube video for offline viewing. Just open the video, select Download, wait for the download to finish, and then access it later from the Download section. And that's it. You now know how to download YouTube videos to your PC or laptop using YouTube's official download feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.